Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. I'm Roland and today we are making juicy beancurd rolls in oyster sauce. I'm filling them with pork and prawns, but you can easily use chicken instead. They are dim sum favorite, but they also make a really great meal with a bowl of rice or some noodles. I'll show you a simple way to wrap them so they will soak up all that silky sauce. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to mince and cut up our prawns for the filling. I have with me over here 170 grams of prawns that's already been deveined and deshelled. With the head on, with the shell on, approximately 300 grams. Now I'm just going to use half of this to mince it up and half of this to cut it into chunks. So I have with me over here 8 pieces. 4 pieces I'll cut into chunks. So very simple, you can just pile them up. So you can roughly chop them up or cut them up into chunks. This will give the dish a very good texture so they can really taste the prawns. Okay, so roughly cut it into chunks like this will be fine. Now we just remove them and place them onto our plate. Now we mince the rest of the prawns. Very simple, using your cleaver, just give it a good smack. Push it aside. And then just chop them up. Fold them up a little. And then mince them up again. Continue to do this until they are very fine and like a paste. So something like this will be good. Now we just put the paste alongside with the other prawns. Now we prepare our filling. I have with me over here 100 grams of sticky pork that's been minced. If you do not take pork, you can always substitute this with chicken. Add in our prawns, the mince as well as the chunks. Add in 15 grams of carrots for that natural sweetness that has been cut into very small pieces like this. Now of course if you want to add in cilantro, chopped mushrooms, by all means go ahead. Add in half a teaspoon of salt. I'm not using too much salt because we will be making a very nice gravy later with this. A few dashes of white pepper. 1 teaspoon of corn flour. As well as 3 tablespoons of water. Mix them up well. Always try to mix them in one direction. We'll mix them until they are a little bit sticky before we actually slam them. The proportion that you want to use with the meat or the prawns is really up to you. I prefer a little bit more freshness. That's the reason why I'm using more prawns. When it has a resistance like this, we'll start to slam it. Push all the filling down, the ingredients. 1 big scoop, take it up, slam it. We'll slam it about 20 to 30 times. This will remove most of the air and make the filling very, very bouncy. The texture will be fantastic with this. This is the texture that we want. As you can see, it's very, very nice and sticky. Okay, now I'll show you how I wrap it up. Before we wrap our beancurd rolls, I'm going to show you how a beancurd skin looks like. This is how it looks like. Very big piece like this. Okay, I'm just going to cut them into smaller pieces and I'm going to show you how they look like in a while. You can use a pair of scissors or a knife. It's really up to you. So I've cut the beancurd skin into smaller pieces like this. Approximately 14 cm by 20 cm. Okay, so now I'll show you how I wrap this. Before we start wrapping, please prepare a little bit of cornstarch solution, approximately 1 tablespoon of cornstarch to 1 tablespoon of water. Remember to just mix them up. You can use your hand. Okay, this will use to stick the skins together. Okay, now the skin is salted, so we need a clean damp cloth. Just wipe it down a little bit. Otherwise, it will be too salty. Now, of course, if you feel like it's easier to wipe it down on a big piece, just do so also, but it'll be much difficult to cut because they might stick together. Okay, so after wiping them down, we'll wrap it up. The longer side on top like this. This will wrap approximately 6 to 8 pieces depending on how much filling you put in. Take about 1 tablespoon of the filling, 2 fingers down from the top, we put the filling down like this. Okay, flatten them, and you can use your hand actually to make it easier. Just flatten them a bit like this. Okay, then the side, push in. Do the same with the other side. Press it down a little bit. Dab a little bit of the cornstarch solution on the skin like this. Fold it over like this. A little bit more corn flour on this side. And then just fold it over. And we are done. Continue to do the rest, and I'll show you the next step after this. I finished rolling up my beancurd rolls. A total of 6 has been made. Put them on your steaming plate like this. Do not overstack them, and I'll show you how I make the sauce. Heat up your saucepan. Add in a little bit of oil. Add in about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic chopped. Mix them around. We'll fry them until we can smell the beautiful fragrance from the garlic. This is pretty fast, almost like 10 seconds you can start to smell the beautiful garlic. Now we add in water. Add in about 200 milliliters of water. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1/3 of a teaspoon of chicken stock powder. A few dashes of white pepper. Give it a good stir first. Add in half a teaspoon of sugar. Add in a little bit of dark soy sauce just to make the color beautiful. Now we'll just give this a taste to make sure that it's savory enough for us. Very nice. Now we'll thicken it up with some cornstarch solution. Stir as you add in the cornstarch solution. Thicken it to the consistency that you want. Something like this will be good. Finally, add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Turn off the heat, give it a stir. Right? Now we just need to pour this sauce over our beancurd roll, and then we steam it. Now we are going to steam our beancurd rolls. Boil a wok of water, make sure it's boiling. I'm using high heat over here, so please do the same. Put in a steaming rack. Add in your beancurd rolls. Pour in the sauce. Pour the sauce all over the rolls so that it can be soaked with the flavor. Once you are done, put the lid back on, and we'll steam this for 10 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 10 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, beautiful. Let's turn off the heat, and now it's time for our lunch. I plated out my dish. I'm going to garnish it with some spring onions and chili. Look at how pretty this is, and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Oh, smells really good. Let's try this. Dip it in some of the sauce. Oh, bouncy. You can taste the sweetness of the prawns. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. 好吃. Wow. With rice, fantastic.